Hello. I have a couple of minutes to spare before my next class, so I'm eating borscht. By the way, are you eating borscht? Really? I'm surprised. Are you eating borscht right now? Of course not. Well, it serves to prove that you are lacking some knowledge. You see, in Russian there is only one present tense. And when we say "Я ем борщ сейчас" and "Я ем борщ каждый день", we use the same grammar form of the verb есть. In sharp contrast, in English we use totally different tenses. I am eating borscht now, and I eat borscht every day. You see, these grammar forms are distinctly different. Am eating meaning now, eat meaning something repeated. In truth, we don't even need to pronounce these phrases now and every day, because the structures themselves tell their own story, right now and usually. So, are you eating borscht? Well done! Of course you're not. But do you eat borscht? Yes, you certainly do. Are you playing volleyball? No, you're not. Do you play volleyball? Yes, you do. Are you playing table tennis? No, you're not. Do you play table tennis? Yes, you do. Well done! And one final time. Are you eating borscht? No, you're not. Because you're looking at me, and are you smiling? Yes, of course you are. I'm happy you're smiling right now.